hello, what do you guys reckon to this? Is the ultimate minimalist yet still useful little combo. It's a Victorinox Classic Alox, or Alox, same as the Classic SD but with these aluminium scales, combined with one of the Victorinox Quattro screwdrivers. And it's something I've just put together. I don't know why I've never thought of it before, but it came about because I've always maintained in loads of my videos that pound for pound, the Victorinox Rambler, or equivalents like the Manager, are probably the most useful item you could possibly own. Packed full of features that are great for urban EDC. And in particular, I've always raved on about how this combo tool is absolutely brilliant and that this little Phillips screwdriver is just a lifesaver. And I think that is true. It's absolutely brilliant, this tool. But someone commented on one of my videos, and I can't remember who it was, so apologies for that. But someone commented, well, can't you just use the screwdriver on the Classic SD for most screwdrivering needs, including small Phillips screws? So that got me thinking, yes, you probably can. And indeed you can. The size and shape of the little slotted screwdriver on the tip of the file tool on the Classic SD does fit a ton of Phillips screws, and it will turn them. The only difficulty being this tool is extremely thin and flimsy and it will easily bend. And I was trying out using this little slotted driver yesterday after those comments made on that other video, and I've overtorqued it and I've slightly bent the liners in there, I think. I don't know if you can hear this. That is now scraping when I open the tool. How annoying. So yeah, I've overtorqued that screwdriver in that one. These are extremely thin. The pins holding these together are very thin as well. These just will not take very much torque at all. This tool is better for Phillips screws. A, because it's a 3D Phillips screwdriver. B, because it's a thicker tool and you can apply more torque onto it itself than using this really thin file tool driver tip. So yeah, whilst it does fit a wide range of screws, even some of those really small screws, Phillips screws you get on some kids' toys, it's just really flimsy to use in that role. So I've just bunged one of those Quattro screwdrivers on there. You've got two sizes of sort of 2D, really, 2.5D, 2D Phillips drivers on there, and two sizes of flathead slotted screwdrivers on there. I don't even know where I got this little lanyard thing together. You could use anything, a bit of old thin paracord string, whatever, just to connect them to. And I think this is potentially a really good combo. This is small and stubby, this little Quattro driver, but you can get a decent bit of torque on it because of the shape, and on bigger or more stubborn screws, this works well. So the little file tools tip just really is too thin and too flimsy to turn screws. These are Phillips screws, but it struggles to turn them if they're a bit stiff, and you risk bending the liner. The little Quattro tool, well, they're really short and somewhat awkward to use for little on-the-go fixes, the sort of thing you might come across where something in your pocket might just solve a little problem. Well, you can apply more torque without risk of damaging anything, and it works well. The slotted driver on the end of the file tool is tiny, so it is nice having this larger flatted driver on the Quattro tool. Tripod mounts and things like that, this could be useful for. You might even be able to do a little bit of light prying with it, popping off paint can lids and stuff. Don't know, not tried that yet, but this is easily replaceable if it bends or breaks or whatever. It won't break if it bends. And the whole thing together is just really small. A Rambler on its own is 1.045 ounces. These two together is 0.693 ounces. In grams, the Rambler is 29.62 grams, and these two 19.65 grams. And this is already tiny as well to carry in your pocket, on your keys or whatever, but this setup's just, as I say, I think the most minimal but still useful combo you could have, really. Almost half the thickness of a Rambler, still getting a ton of utility that the main basic needs. The blade, some screwdriver in, very light prying, prodding bits and bobs. You get the Ace scissors still. Good. So, and the little file. And the little slotted driver there. Of course, with the classic Alox, or Alox, although I do think it's Alox because it's aluminium oxide, or if you're American, aluminum oxide. So that's Alox, right? I don't know. So, but with the Allox, you're not getting obviously the tweezers or the toothpick. I can't remember the last time I personally used the tweezers. If I do need to pluck a rogue hair or something, I'll go and borrow my missus's tweezers because they're loads better. And in my wallet, I do carry disposable toothpick anyway. I can just chuck away when I've used it. And this little combo will just slide away in the back of my little wallet there. There you go. So I've got a handy dandy little tool in there. And yeah, I like that. I think that's not a bad little option. If you want the most minimalist but still useful little Victorinox EDC combo for urban situations, I think this is a good choice. What do you reckon? I always love to get some feedback on these ideas, and I look forward to reading your comments, and I will try and reply as soon as I can. Thanks very much, and adios for now.